What is up, my crew? Check it out. You can see the Trap Star back there, guys. We got another one coming for the mini truck. But yesterday it was rained out. You guys know I went to Auburn 2 days in a row. I was a little disappointed by Auburn. It wasn't really the turnout that I expected, but it was still cool. I'm ready to do something, guys. What's up? The parade is tomorrow. We're looking forward to that, so hopefully I can get my butt up and get around and make that in the morning, guys. I like to do that with everybody. But I don't really know what's going on tonight, guys. I kind of been out of the loop this last few days doing Auburn and getting that stuff around and getting everything around for the rest of the season. So I've been busy, guys, and out of the loop, so fill me in. What's up? Today, I think I'm just going to hang out and play Project Cars 3 on Oculus Rift. I spent $100 on that last night. I bought the deluxe edition with everything. I did that so I could live stream to Facebook this winter, but guys, they took the freaking live stream option out. I was dying. I was like, I spent $100 on this shit, and they took it. Yeah, they took the live stream feature out, guys. So I don't know if I'll be able to live stream this winter from the VR, but I'm gonna try and figure something out. That should be a lot of fun. Project Cars 3 is freaking awesome, man. For one, it's racing, and it's all cars we like in VR. Check it out if you haven't. But guys, I'm gonna do that the rest of the day. And then, so yeah, if there's any meets tonight, guys, I would definitely like to come out, check out the meets. Street Faction in Michigan, they have meets, and they invited us up before, but I think they invited us the same weekend we went to Fort Wayne, so we had to decline. But I told them I'd like to get up there. If you guys are down for that, let me know, and we'll see what they got going on. Let me know.